Microphone check. Checking. Mayonnaise, bro. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise on a hot dog on a Monday, bro. Mayonnaise, dog. Boys, the overalls came in and we're tripping. You guys like the cut? I did it myself. Legit. Not too bad, huh? But either way, I missed you. It's been so long. What's up, brothers? We're about to go do some hooning in the street. Yo, I think this van wants the sauce. Got him. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Sit down. No! We weren't even speeding though. We're going like 4 over. Brother. What's up, brothers? We're about to go do some hooning in the street with my boy. I don't know when you're gonna see this. You're either gonna see this before I install the Spats or after. But either way, I missed you. It's been so long. I missed you guys. Yeah, today is Tuesday. The Spats come in tomorrow, so I'm gonna do a Spat for the diffuser, and when that comes in, we're gonna do an install on that, and then I'm gonna throw all this footage in there. We're going to rip with my friend Hayden. We're gonna go rip around with him, and have a good time, bro. Darkness. Hey, girl. Okay, we see you. Cold start. Welcome to the car! Would you like to say hello?
Sure. Sorry, I was watching how much that's delayed. Isn't that
like
creepy?
10 seconds. Girlfriend is in the car. Say hello.
Hello.
We're gonna rip around. Yeah, Spats coming tomorrow. So when you watch this, right after these clips, we'll be installing the diffuser Spats. Let's go! Yo, I think this van wants the sauce. Got him. Hello!
Hi, boy!
What's up, bruh?
Not much.
We are now joined by the Civic boy himself, Hayden. Tunnel? Jesus Christ. Yeah, Civic! We definitely need wider tires on this bitch. We spin every gear. Thoughts? How are you feeling right now? Thank you. That's all we have time for. It's the boy! Do you have any words for 2021?
Better be better than 2020.
Let's hear her. Give her a little. Let's go! Du Bois. There's a GTI, homie. Let me get right on it. Let's hear this pig hossing. That's kind of great. All right, we out. No! The boy got pulled over. We weren't even speeding though. We were going like 4 over. Brother.
Thoughts on our experience so far?
Oh, I was gonna give you I literally just want to that.
And that's all we have time for.
Because I don't.
Nervous?
I don't like
Oh, here he comes. We had to pull over and wait for him and hide because we didn't also want to get stopped.
I don't pull over. He was like, "You're doing 49 on a 35."
Yikes.
And then he was like, "Sorry it took so long. It took you a while to come up in the system, but I'm gonna let you off with a warning."
Goodbye, friend. They let him off with a warning. He was going like 8 over. All right, we're gonna play it safe and rep home. So I'll see you tomorrow with the Spats.
Little monkey. Nice with you. I love you so much. You're so sweet. Itchy butt. Itchy butt.
What is up, brothers? Day 2. Let's go. The Spats come in today. Alright, Spats come in. We're waiting on those to come in still. So let's go wash the car. We're doing awesome, bro. Tell your friends. Go get some more people to subscribe. Let's go.
Kippy also says, go like the video.
You're so fucking cute. Jeez, broken ankle. Somebody once told me the world was gonna. I ate the shoppers too in the shed. Hello, darling. What is up, brothers? We're on day 2. Hope you guys are doing good. So, I don't know if I just said it inside or not, but we're waiting on the Spats. And the mail usually comes from like 1 to 3, so until then, I'm gonna go wash the car and get the rear end all washed up enough that, oh god, get it washed up enough so it's not completely disgusting when we put the Spats in. So let's go to the car wash. I love a little blow off in the morning. Really gets me going. Woo! Bro, I love this car so much. Ah! Got it looking good, boys. Ooh, that's for the new front mount though. I see you. We got that looking nice, boys. We got rushed out of there because some guy just wanted to wash his car. Yeah, you guys vote in the comments below because like I kind of equally like either one just as much. What should What should you rather take? Would you rather take a GTI or an ST? Let me know. Let me know down below. And now we wait. Day 3, we're back. It's finally here, bro. This package got rerouted 67 times. Literally, it like didn't show up the day it was supposed to. So now we're another day later. Then it went to Mass, and it came all the way back, and now we're here, bros. Oh my. I'm so excited. Adjustments.
Has anybody said anything? Did you tell me?
The first to know.
Aren't you? You're not on camera.
Yes.
Cuts.
Yeah, when you cut things open, you're supposed to cut directly towards your face. Oh my, that's fucking juicy. Just want to get really in there. Imagine I had to return this. Voila, it pops right open. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. imagine I ordered this. I got these bolts with the sticker.
They come with a sticker.
Alrighty then. So in your box, you have these beautiful, handcrafted, absolutely extraordinary Spats. These are gonna look absolutely sexual. Let's go see. So these go right here. Just like that.
They actually.
No.
I was fucking cute.
These actually go like this. Just like that. Those are gonna be tasty. Sick! That's gonna look amazing. Kevin James.
Who the best out here? I don't give a fuck and I don't fucking care. Bring it back to the flow.
Yeah, so it comes with your 2 spats, comes with your bolts and hardware to put them in, and your sticker, and that's really it, and that's all it is. I've been waiting so long for this. I mean, realistically, we could just put them in real quick, could we not?
Who the best out here? I don't give a fuck and I don't fucking care. Bring it back to the flow, give a dap to get broke, cause the party's so damn vicious.
We got a little bit of time before we gotta go to dinner, boys. Should we just go set? Boom. Online, they go like this. But I feel like they'd look better like this. For this operation, you'll need a fresh cut, a drill bit, maybe something to jack up your car if it's a little bit low, the tools that'll come with, your parts, and paint marker. So I think I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna go like this, mount it up just like that, the way it's supposed to. It looks super good, so really all you gotta do is it's supposed to sit, you just drill your holes through here, and that's where it's gonna screw into, is right on this, at the edge of the lip here. So all you wanna do is you wanna hold this guy up here, and as you can see, it kinda lines up with the shape of that, and then take your paint marker and go in and mark in your holes, drill them in, and then it gives you kind of a self-tapping screw kind of thing. Not exactly what they are, but you know what I'm saying, bro. Come with these, you don't need to put anything on the back of them, you just screw them right in, and that's all there is to it. Just be careful where you drill, bro. Let's do it. Is that what you know about love? I got what you need. Okay, what you please. Yo, did you guys see my overalls? Dude, I love those things. I already wore the shit out of them. I had to wash them. I can't even wear them, bro. Maybe I should just wear them to dinner. What do you think? Let me know. Yeah, let me know in the comments what I should do now, so when you see this, it'll be like 3 days later.
Who the best out here? I don't give a fuck and I don't fucking care. Bring it back to the flow, give a dap to get broke, cause the party's so damn vicious.
Dude, I love working on this thing. I just love working on cars in general. I don't know. It's like peaceful with me. Like sometimes it's a pain in the ass, and they are a pain in the ass, but like, you know that feeling, bro? Everybody knows it. When you step back, you like look at your car, and you're like, shit, dude. That's what we're all chasing, bro. You gotta do what makes you happy, man. So what I'm saying is, do what makes you happy, bro. Don't waste time thinking about what other people give a shit about. Do what you want. Shit, bro, she looking good. Damn. Yeah, let's do the other side. It's like subtle, but I'm so excited.
I'm in the Chelsea, no lagging. I get to move and skirt past you.
Alright, subtle yet effective. Ooh, and then I think I'm gonna replace the little reflectors that I wrapped over. I'll probably replace those with the carbon fiber ones, or I'll do a black wrap, and then it'll kind of tie in together a little bit with a diffuser. And then we'll get the mud flaps off, and the rear end, as soon as we get the new exhaust in there, bro, ooh, she'll be looking good. I got a good surprise on the exhaust too. It's like a little bit different. Not a lot of people have done it before, so I'm I'm absolutely hyped. Let's go. Dude, I'm so hyped. All right, bros. Quick little install. We're gonna run to dinner, and then I'll catch up with you tomorrow, and maybe we'll do a little bit of POV or something like that, but we'll see. And I'll get some thumbnails in the daylight, and then I'll get this video up for you guys. All right. My neighbor's back again. Send help. Well, due to some unseen events, it's yucky out, bros. Is it raining? Shit. All right. Yeah, I guess it's like raining right now. It's raining. What do I do? Get in the car. Let's get in the car. Well, alrighty, bros. We're in the car. Alright, day 3, day 4. I don't know what day we're on anymore. I like how it was literally like this, the easiest install in the world. It's literally just like 2 metal plates screwed on the bumper. But we did it. I'm gonna try my best to make this video like pretty good for you guys. Due to weather, I guess we're not filming today. The roads are horrendous. It's just like frozen slush. Yeah. It like snowed all night and now it's raining all day, so it's literally just disgusting. So I might still run to my dad's, but I'm probably not gonna pick up my brother, and we can't really film our video today because we can't do polls if the road's nasty. Oh, I'm sad. Don't worry, bros. We'll have it up in the next couple days. Next day or two, once it clears up, we'll go get him, do a little review video, and I got a lot of ideas coming, and I got, shout out to all the people that are like shooting good ideas at me. I got a bunch of homies that keep shooting like really good video ideas to me, so if you don't see them soon, they're in the plans, don't worry, because all the videos, ideas are super good, and that's sick. So if you guys ever want to see anything, feel free to hit me in the DMs, hit me in the comments, let me know what you want to see. I'm so excited. I'm like excited the way this car is coming along. Like sitting in it, looking at it, it's like, well, I do believe that sums up our 46,000 day install video of diffuser spats. We put them in, they're great quality, the paint is really good, it doesn't flake, it comes with everything you need. I would suggest putting washers on so you don't have the screws pull through eventually, but you really wouldn't, I don't think you really have that problem because there's no like resistance there, so you should be totally fine. All you need is literally a screwdriver or whatever you're putting the screws in, a drill, and realistically you could probably do it without the drill if you push hard enough. You just get them to go right in, and like a Sharpie, a marker, pencil, anything to mark your holes, and that's literally it, bro. And it looks great, and I'm hyped, so I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys are liking the content. I'm super hyped. I'm sorry today's disgusting. Where I live sucks. But dude, coming springtime, like show season, it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna go absolutely ham. Like right now the weather's gross, so I'm trying to pump out the best videos for you guys that I can. But springtime, big plans, shows, like everything is gonna be great. It's gonna be, I can't stress enough how good it's gonna be, yeah. If you're new here, go down there, hit that subscribe button, join the family. We're growing fast. Don't miss out on the content. We're going up from here. Anyway, you guys keep it real. I hope wherever you are, you can keep on driving and have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys, and your boy will catch you in the next one. Let's go.